Hello everyone, thank you once again for tuning into our YouTube channel. Save Green here. And today we're going to talk again on Mint Mobile. And they now have a special promo on their website. Buy 3 months, get 3 months free. So essentially you'll be getting 6 months of phone service, including unlimited talk and text with 8 gigs of data of 4G LTE service for $60 a month. So let me show you so you get an idea how it works. I'm going to put in a zip code here. We're going to hit verify. You're going to enter the phone that you're using. Let's say an iPhone XS Max. Hit verify and it'll tell you to work. Hit view plans, and now you got your plan here. Buy 3 months, get 3 months free. So normally the 8 gigabyte plan is $20 a month, meaning that for 3 months you would pay $60. But now you're going to get the 3 months and you're going to get 3 months free. So basically, for $60, just like you can see here, you're going to get 6 months. Yes, half a year of service, meaning basically $60 for 6 months, okay? So this is unlimited nationwide talk and text running on the T-Mobile 4G LTE network. Again, it's 8 gigs of data, and you also get the SIM kit delivered to you. So you get the SIM kit at home, pop it into your phone, 6 months of service, $60. Folks, that's $10 a month for 8 gigabytes of data and unlimited talk and unlimited text nationwide. You also get calls to Canada and Mexico included in that plan, by the way. 7-day money-back guarantee. If you pop it in your phone and 7 days go by and you're not happy with the service, call them up. As long as you're within that 7-day threshold, they will give you 100% of your money back. You don't even need to send the SIM kit back. Just throw it in the garbage or whatever. And of course, you get to keep your current number. So all that is spelled out here for you. You can even have mobile hotspot. That's included as well. I know that's important to many folks out there. But you can also wait after the 6 months and then just jump into the 12 gigabyte plan for $25 a month. That's really good too. So there are different plans out there, and let me take you back here. So here we go. After you're done with the 6 months, you have an option to go and stay with that $20 a month plan for 12 months. Basically, you will pay at once $240, and that will give you 1 year of service of 8 gigabytes of data, 4G LTE, unlimited talk and text. If this is not enough for you, then pay $5 extra per month or $300 a year for 12 gigabytes of data. Same, 4G LTE, unlimited talk and text. If the 6 months go by and you realize that, and there's a way, by the way, on the app that you can monitor how much data you're using each month. So 6 months go by, and let's say none of those 6 months you went over 8 gigs of data, and you were roughly around 2 or 2.5 gigs of data for the whole 6 months, because let's face it, you might have Wi-Fi at home and at work. Then you want to go ahead and take advantage of this plan right here. So $15 a month gives you 3 gigs of data, unlimited talk and text, $180 a year. And the great thing with any one of these 3 plans, folks, is that for 1 year you get no bill in the mail. So I know many people are paying roughly what this bill is here, like in 5 or 6 months, and you can get that for a full year and you still will have your Wi-Fi hotspot and everything that T-Mobile gives you as far as 4G LTE data, nationwide coverage. You can use your own phone. You can keep your existing number. You don't have to lose your number. You get a free SIM card as well in the mail. So now's the time. If you have seen some of our YouTube videos and you have kind of been on the fence to get on Mint Mobile, now's the time to do it. They're giving you 6 months of service for $60, $10 a month for an unlimited talk and text, 8 gigs of data, 4G LTE service. Folks, we have been using them since December of 2017. We are in August of 2019, almost 2 years, have had absolutely no issues whatsoever. If you have a T-Mobile phone already, all you need to do is pop the SIM card in it. If you have a Verizon phone, of course, those phones are unlocked. It'll work as well. And if you have an AT&T phone and it's paid off, what you want to do is contact AT&T and they will unlock it for you for free. The only carrier at the moment that I know would not work as far as their phones go is Sprint. But maybe that may change in the future now that there's a Sprint and T-Mobile merger in the works. That should happen very soon. But feel free to contact using the messages below if you have any questions. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so by clicking that red subscribe button down at the bottom. And we would greatly appreciate it if you support our channel. I will go ahead and post a link in the description where you can get this SIM kit with this special with free shipping included. So they do not include free shipping. If you use the link that we provide for you, they will ship the SIM kit to you for free. Thank you very much for watching. You all have a great day.